This is for Muddig and S. Muddig, here's an idea I wanted to pass by you, if it's been good. So currently you're making content for the Bukkit Vista channel, and it's good. It's doing very well. You have, at most recent, almost 1,000 views on the latest video over here, right? Charming two-bedroom villa near Nusa Okay, so one of the things I really want you to understand, and I'm spending time to right now, is this, okay? So it's the shape of your action that first leads to people offboarding from the platform. So you don't want that as the algorithm. So teaching you the way the algorithm thinks. But the critical thing to understand is this. To really make progress, you're being elevated from the local tournament to the regional tournament to the national tournament to the international tournament. So it goes through these different levels. So you need to win your most ardent subscribers first. They need to be highly engaged and watch to completion. So you've discovered perhaps putting a model in your videos is good for that. So that's really good. You can continue to use your girlfriend, or if she'll allow you any model, to be hosted in those videos. Those will add value to the overall video. The reason it keeps on elevating might be something to do with other factors that you are putting in to the way the videos are developed. So you want to continue developing those creative ideas correctly. Okay. Now the key is you see that right here, you're getting very high amounts of viewership in the first bits. So you have an opening with the person opening a door with a drone. So that's very captivating. So that part worked. Now, the continuous rise is basically based on design. You have to also remember there's a Skinner effect here. So sometimes you can do the same thing, but it just won't work as well. Persist and continue. ZPT that so you don't get discouraged. So over time, you will discover new and new elements to add to the artistry of this. And if you don't know what that means, then watch my video about Oxman Krebs cycles. So you know what level you need to function at, which is mainly at art. Direction. And that means you focus on your art, focus on the key components that is elevating you into higher and higher tournaments. And once you see that, consistently follow through with that pattern. Don't deviate, don't get discouraged. Once you see a breakthrough, then that means there's something valuable about the way you've designed that video, and keep on using that, no matter what, no matter if the views go down or up. The second thing is to notice when, position my camera. The second thing is how can you create content that's short but always valuable? So this requires a mindset shift and a mindset mentality that's different. So what you're looking to do is some content will have immediate rise and then it will plateau. Let's take a look at this. This is an example of it. Yeah, this is what we call a plateau. A plateau means it does not grow over time anymore. It reaches peak in the first 2 days, and then it just stays the same throughout. And the reason behind that is because some content is simply an announcement. You're just announcing something. You're saying that, hey, this is a new thing, this is a new property, I want you to know. So an announcement will have that type of shape. But do you know what continues to grow? What type of content will continue reaching more and more audience over time? It's a type of content that solves a problem. It's a type of content that solves a problem, which means that you're answering a question. How much does alcohol cost is answering a question. This content about last minute gifts is asking a question. You can see this one has a bit of a stronger slope going up, and also this one has a strong slope going up. And the reason behind that is because this piece of content is actually indexable as knowledge, not just announcement. So you should think about how to increase your design and build better and stronger videos such that you have more and more tournaments, but also you want to increase your longevity, which means that over time it will still provide value. But how do you get there? You get there by looking and reading guest inquiries. You get there by actually looking for real guest problems that they're having. Where can I check in? Where do I leave my bags? Where's a good place to hang out before I come in? And it's very location specific. And then in your videos, you include information about that. You include information about, hey, this location actually has a benefit because before you check in, you can go visit the beach. And they provide beach towels, and they provide whatever else. Because it answers a question. What do I do last minute if I haven't gotten a gift? What do I do? How much is alcohol? I don't want to overspend. I heard it's expensive. So you need to have some utility and then some design, and then you get a super video that's short that continues growing over time. Hopefully that makes sense, and you can digest this and refer to it from time to time. You want to make better and more strong videos. Okay. See you guys.